In today's link up, ZKsync suffers a token exploit, AWS outages disrupt exchanges, and the SEC delays ETF decisions. However, Canada approves the first Solana ETFs, South Korea cracks down on unregistered apps, and Tether backs a decentralized mining effort. Let's get into today's headlines. ZKsync reported a $5 million exploit after an attacker compromised an admin account tied to its airdrop contract. The incident triggered a 20% drop in the ZK token's price. The team assured user funds were safe and said the ZK token contract and protocol remain secure. The breach is under investigation and appears linked to a stolen private key. Launched in 2024, the token faced criticism for airdrop distribution flaws, including the team's failure to filter out Sybil farming. Next, a wake-up call on infrastructure reliance. An AWS outage on April 15th disrupted services across at least 8 crypto exchanges, including Binance and KuCoin. The issue stemmed from connectivity problems in AWS data centers, affecting order execution and withdrawals. Most services resumed by 1:50 p.m. UTC. However, the incident reignited debates about centralized infrastructure risks, with calls growing for decentralized cloud solutions like Filecoin for storage. In regulatory updates, the SEC has postponed decisions on ETF staking from Grayscale and Vaneck, citing the need to evaluate staking mechanisms and redemption models. Its crypto task force is collecting input to shape long-term rules. Industry advocates, including Jito and Multicoin Capital, continue pushing for staking-enabled ETFs. A new decision timeline is set for June. Okay, so let's put a pin in the headlines for a moment. I want to ask you to please take a moment to subscribe and give us a thumbs up so we know you find these videos valuable. It would really mean a lot. So let us know you're listening. All right, let's get back to it. A milestone moment for Solana. Canada will launch the world's first spot Solana ETFs on April 16th, issued by Purpose, Evolve, CI, and 3iQ. The ETFs include staking, offering potential yields that may surpass Ethereum. U.S. firms are also filing for Solana ETFs, reflecting rising institutional interest. However, in contrast, Solana futures ETFs in the U.S. have seen limited demand. Turning to Asia, which tightened oversight, South Korea's FSC banned 14 unregistered foreign exchanges, including KuCoin, from Apple's App Store, adding to a Google Play Store ban that began in March. The move supports AML compliance, requiring registration or risk jail time and fines. Meanwhile, though, local institutions prepare to expand crypto offerings as regulatory clarity improves. Finally, decentralized Bitcoin mining. Tether is partnering with Ocean, a Bitcoin mining pool founded by Luke Dashier to decentralize block building. Ocean's Datum protocol lets miners create their own block templates, reducing dependency on intermediaries like Foundry USA. Tether plans to deploy hash rate globally, including in rural Africa, using Ocean's system. The move supports its $500 million investment in Bitcoin mining. And that's our daily link up. Make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss out on any updates. I'll catch you in the next one.